Up YouTube. Hey, we got a jet coming in. Come, little bitch. That's it. Oh, fuck! Oh my god! I missed that.
You wounded him. He's down.
Damn, no, normally should be dead. He wounded himself. Ooh, that'd be an awesome start to the game right there, man. That'd be an awesome start. Awesome start to the game, man. Oh, let me put my thing on charge, coach. Just 2 seconds.
Атакуйте эту цель!
Okay, I accidentally popped smoke. Alright, let's go. So that helo smoking up.
Атаковать эту цель!
Oh, come on, it's too hot.
Атаковать эту цель!
That was close.
Yeah, we got a tank on the right. Seems like he's further than I think. He's on Foxtrot, ain't it? Oh shit, he's close. He's right in front of us. He's right in front of us. Here he is.
I got one.
He's disabled. We got a tank at the back. Oh shit, two tanks. Oh shit. Miss. Fuck it. He just have your game.
Mine right there.
Don't worry about the mines. I ain't going in. I'm just taking out the armors. I'm not going in. Okay, we need to fall back to Alpha side. We got tanks coming down on the left side. Spawn. I see him way over there. Hold on, let me turn.
Another one off to the right.
Yep, I see him. Left side.
It's closer.
Got a hit. Got another hit. He missed. Oh, I missed that shot. Shit, something. The guy right on the hill. Guy on the hill. Guy on the hill. Guy on the hill in front of you to your right. I popped smoke on and got hit. Guy to your right here, coach. Tank is coming down on us. Got you, bitch. Trying to see for that. See for your mother. Oh, coach. Guess what? I forgot. Oh my god. I forgot we got repair tools. Look at his dead body. Hey, that guy body's still on my. That guy dead body is still on the tank. I'm jogging his ass. I forgot we got repair tools, coach. I was in the excitement. Look at this jet. Hit him, hit him, hit him. Oh! He's trying to slow the motherfucker. There's two of them too. Fire. Dip. Got helo straight ahead ×2.
Yeah, tank off to the left. Tank off to the left.
I see him. He's off the guns. He's off the guns. He's off the guns. Don't fire. Don't fire.
Okay.
He knows. Okay, he can fire now because he knows we're already here. He already knows we're here. What? What? One jumped out. Rocket truck. Oh shit, another tank right here. Got a hit. Road, hey, kill that guy right there.
Enemy chopper east of your position.
That guy's not dead. What's fucking repair this shit still? He's disabled. Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna fix this.
Yeah! Right through the freaking hole.
We had one in here. Inside this little room right here. There's one that was running around when I jumped out. Right in
that room?
Yep. I think he's off to this right hand side.
There is laying down. He's got two of them. Oh, the hell, he didn't die. Both yours, coach.
Got him.
Nice. Guy behind us. Gonna road kill his ass. Come here, let me crush you like a roach.
Sorry.
It's alright, no problem. He was gonna jump in the back of the tank. Look, he's still getting kills down there. Shit. Look at this jet. Ah man, we need to go somewhere else now, man. We haven't been we haven't been on this side of the map. We haven't been nowhere else. Like helo is shooting at. There's a helo right there, big helo. Oh, we got laser guided on.
Ребята,
Hey, the rocket truck is right here.
We've just taken objective Bravo.
Rocket truck is under the bridge. Towards the Delta.
Taking objective Alpha.
You wanna go surprise him? Let's go surprise him. Don't shoot, don't shoot. Hold your fire. Let that helo go. Just hold your fire. Don't worry about that helo. I could take him out, but I don't want him. We're gonna get this motherfucker right here. You better jump or die, bitch. And now we can bother with that helo now. Here he comes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
We now have control of objective Fox.
There's 2 helos in there in my territory, coach.
Be advised, I have eyes on an enemy tank south of your location.
Oh, you lucky. What the fuck was that? He crashed on us or some shit?
Objective Charlie,
He did. No, he's still alive. He's on fire. Yeah, he did crash on us. Probably trying to repair that. He's there. He can't repair that. He's still alive though. You got him, Blueberry?
We got rockets behind us.
This is a tank. You drive through any house.
Objective Bravo.
Knock knock, anybody home? Any insurgents home? Come out, you infidels! C4! This bitch!
Yeah.
The infidel did came out, jihad! He went ducka ducka!
Helicopter, helicopter.
Helicopter, right, let's go heli, then coach. I don't really like to fly the heli though, because the AA always camp up the place. Alright, let's go heli. Somebody trying to ram us. Okay, what can you see down there? We got helo coming in.
I only see helicopters.
Обнаружена вражеская вертушка.
He already popped smoke.
Обнаружена вражеская
He better die.
вертушка.
Oh shit, AA.
Обнаружена вражеская вертушка.
Yeah, you're gonna get hit, bitch. You better jump or die, motherfucker. Woo! Hold on, coach. Hold on, coach. Yeah, now we can't go back around. I didn't have no active.
Атакуйте эту цель.
Look at Charlie. Tank at Charlie.
Атакуйте эту цель.
Hey, 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 hey. Oh!
Ooh, what a good shot.
Nice shit, man. I need a joint after that one.
Let's see here. Where are we going? Alpha A.
We got tank. What's going on? We're going up to Alpha.
We now control objective Bravo.
Airplane is like free falling.
Yeah, see that helo at the back. I'm trying to hit that helo passenger coming up.
I see.
Видел вражеский вертолет.
Oh, I'm gonna took that jet down.
Атакуйте эту цель.
You gonna go, Charlie?
Alpha.
Yeah, he came from Charlie, one of them motherfucking teams.
2 tanks up there on Alpha.
We just lost control of objective
Got hit. Leave your ass open for me, bitch. Leave your ass open. Payback, motherfucker. That's the guy that shot us down. There's another tank. There's 3 tanks. One is disabled. One is dead. Watch yourself, coach. Watch yourself. I don't trust that shit right there. Guys. Oh, you're lucky.
Атаковать эту цель.
Oh, we got tank right here. Tank.
Listen up. Objective Alpha. Атакуйте эту цель.
We got GRG. We got tank to your right, coach.
Обнаружен вражеский танк.
Oh, shit, we You.
Just too much shit for us. There was just too much. We had a freaking foot soldier behind us. We had everything and everything.
Hold on, coach.
Objective Charlie, clear for being neutralized.
That rocket jumps back up. You hit that. I see what you're shooting.
We got chopper.
Objective Charlie is now under our control. Атаковать эту цель! Надо атаковать эту цель! We have just lost objective Charlie. Вижу вражескую вертушку!
Up here. Supermarket, you unlock quiet. Yeah. Wait. We got a jet coming across the skies. See him? Perfect aim. Oh man, he went so low. Shit, tank.
Two of them.
Oh shit, where's the other one?
The other one is in base, in Charlie.
Foot soldiers coming in. The helo is about to lift off. No fly zone. He's on fire. Come on, kill him. Move, love. Where's the tank? Where's the other tank? You said there were two tanks.
There was one in the base in Charlie.
Oh my god, what the hell? Turn! Hit him! Come on, man. Charlie, there's a guy right there, coach. Nice shit, got more.
There's 3 down there.
Come let me crush you like a roach. Inside from Alpha. Come here, bitch. C4!
Be advised, objective Charlie is now under our control.
Oh, I saw the RPGs. Shoo!
Oh, we should have repaired it.
He still would have been dead.
Helicopter.
Are you sure you want to go in the helo?
Yeah. I love this thing.
Hey, we got underneath the bridge on Delta, look at him. Loads, coach, look at him. Oh! All on me, coach, all on me. Blame me. I went too low for the all on me, blame me for everything. Cuss the shit out of me. You can cuss the shit out of me right there, boy.
Well, our tank's back.
Yeah, fuck it. Got a jet right here, dude. That's it. Had it, boy. Had it. Oh, he went low. Fuck. Lift up, bitch. He's dead. Somebody took him out with that love. Idiot. You ain't going nowhere. Guy right here laying down. Can crush him like a roach. That's a C4 motherfucker.
Get to that LAV. Hurry behind us. LAV.
Crush you like a roach. Oh, double road kill! He spawned in on this shit. The guy underneath the freaking thing, coach. The lava is back again. I'm wrecking it. Nobody wanna jump in it? Nobody wanna jump in it? Just drift to the tank. How amazing. Come, let me kill you. There you go. Mr. Hazard.
Another one that's going to be up on top.
I know.
We're now just taking control of objective control.
Got rocket truck on the move. Got tank coming in. Oh, lava or some shit. Tank, look at rocket truck down there. See the rocket truck?
I'll take care of the rocket truck. You take care of the tank.
That tank can't shoot for shit. You need more arc on your fucking gun, bitch. What about right here? Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
We have lost objective Charlie.
Uh-huh. 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 One more now, your blood clot. One more now, your bumbo clot. Come on. Coach, check your right side. Guys on the right. We're going in for this tank.
Yeah, I'm checking right.
There's a guy right here. Crush him like a roach. Oh, shit. Did I crush him? Got one. One more running in. Whoa, you lucky piece of crap. Look at him climbing. Climb faster next time, boy. Where are you shooting at?
Inside the building now. Inside the building.
Stay back up.
Back up.
We're looking for the container. Let me headshot him. Headshot.
There's another one, just so you know, guys. He's running toward those culvert things.
Oh, there he is. The two of them, the two of them. Oh, sorry, coach, I fucked my shit. Did he just kill himself? No, Blueberry.
No, Blueberry, young.
Hilo. Come
Yep.
on. No fly zone. Oh! See that went to the door? Look at this jet. Hit
That one
him!
got it. That got it.
No! Come on! Jesus Christ! He jumped up. Oh, close, man. Shaved him on 2 occasions.
You hit it once, didn't you?
No! Shaved him on both occasions.
It's freaking,
It went right, yeah, it went right through the door. I played,
got a tank.
dude, twice I played this shit and I shot at Elo.
There's 2 of them.
And the thing went through the door.
We've just lost objective.
Where? Do I have them to spawn? Oh, you haven't got it.
But the other tank went right through the
Got tank down there on the
through
bridge.
goalie up toward Bravo.
Bravo. Alright, let's go get it.
Next time we see him, he's going to be up high. He's going to be up this direction.
I see something white up there flashing. Let's go get it. There's one to my right.
Tank off behind.
There's one to the right that just marked up. Coming our way.
There, tank. Tank.
Oh shit! You sneaky son of a bitch. You sneaky bastard. Oh fuck, where am I? Oh, you missed, bitch! Yeah, you sneaky bitch! You sneaky bitch! Underneath your belly, bitch! Underneath that stomach! Give me that reps, give me that reps, give me that reps. Dude, you did the wrong thing, dude. You shouldn't do that, man. I was fucking standing there. You can't shoot. You can't shoot for shit.
When you were shooting underneath, I was sitting there welding his underneath.
Yeah, but he decided to ram us.
Tank.
And he failed.
Jeep. LAV coming up.
And to blow this ID up. Look to your left. Anybody coming? Anything coming from the left? LAV.
I'm not seeing nothing.
Enemy machine gunner west of your current location.
Get behind me and repair me. Get behind me and repair me. I know. Get behind me and repair. There's a tank coming in on our left. I'm backing up. I'm backing up a bit.
Push me if you need.
Got a hit. Got a hit. Got a hit. No, that's an AA.
I've spotted enemy sniper north of your position.
Rep me again.
Okay.
Get back in. Did you take back Delta? Yeah, we did. Holy shit, what's that? What's that? Something hitting us.
It's a AA right there on the ridge.
Take a bigger hit, bitch. Oh, you pop that shit. Got a guy underneath the bridge.
Yeah,
Elo behind us.
What's the Elo?
Oh, you want some of this?
Come on, get lower so my buddy can shoot you with his big stick.
Come on, you want some of this, bitch? Oh my god, that missed! That missed up his asshole!
Oh, I just got ran over.
You dead?
Yep.
What the fuck? We got tank up here. We got tank, we got tank, we got tank. Hey, spawn back on me already. The tank is dead.
We've just lost objective Foxtrot.
Elo left side. Come here. Oh! Somebody took him down. Guy behind this wall right here. Coach, look at your left. Coach, look at your left, coach.
We got a bunch of shit.
Look. He's marked up. Blow his minds up. He's not dead. What the fuck? So many launchers coming in. What is jet?
Soldier east of your location.
Get out! Damn!
I think they got tired of us on Lambo.
Stupid ass. Shit. Fuck, turn day up. Another tank again.
I love tanks.
Tank on this map, please. Thank you.
The best tank is Canada tank, in my opinion.
Hey, there's that jet, there's that jet, there's that jet. Oh shit, shit! From my right, tank. I jumped out to shoot that jet and I heard beep, 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 I had to jump back in. You see him? Shit, I got lava too.
Yep.
RPG's on foot. Fuck it, let's get one. Up his rectum.
Tanks right behind us.
Yeah, I know. We'll try to get one. Ah! At least we got one, man. At least we took one, buddy.
I think we almost got two.
Yeah, we took out.
That other tank should be pretty messed up right now.
Alright, I'm gonna go slams. I've got another tank.
Okay. I'll be the one that
Yeah. Look at that jet going on a slow. Tank left side. I'm going for his ass. I'm going for his ass.
Jeep. Tank right behind us. Tank right
Yeah,
behind us.
I know, I see him. I'm taking one out. Hello, bitch. He's still alive. The guy's still alive. Under the guy. I landed the tank. Got a hit. Elo. Get out of here. Tank dead. Foot soldiers. Crush you like a roach, bitch. Roadkill. Guy spawning right here. He's pissed. How did I spawn there?
Bad spawn. Glad to see that it doesn't just happen.
Glad to see the look on his face right there.
Neutralize objective Echo.
Look at this bitch! Die, motherfucker! Fly like a bird! That was funny! That was funny, dude! Oh my days, Elo! That guy think he's slick! Oh my god! No way! I got, man, that was a death right there for his ass. Look at him in the background burning. Dude, that guy think he was slick. Yes, I. Bro, my coach said, I believe I can fly. I'm like, fly like a bird. Oh, I got MVP medal. I got MVP big medal. Oh, that's the first. I've got one of those. What's it called?
The MVP?
No, the MVP medal. Not the MVP ribbon, but the medal. I got it. Oh, I got it 6 times. And I got the MVP ribbon 300 times. It was funny though, man.
I got the A squad ribbon.
Nice, nice. I got that too.
I've done that 2,711 times.
Too late for me to check on mine.
It just shows you how great of a squad that I have. That's
yes,
what it
sir.
is.
Best squad, best squad. Every time I kill somebody and that happens, I'm like, fly like a bird. Hey, you see that dude though? He took off though, like a fucking rocket. That's you. Oh my god, I like to see a medic try to revive him. He'd be like, dude, I can't see your body. Like, I'm right there. I'm right there, I'm looking at you.
Well, I'm about 4 counties over, but my gun is right there.
That was funny though. Oh my god. Woo! Marcus! 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 Hold on. Hold on. Just quick roll this shit. How much, honey? Do you? Can use like 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 whole lime or lemon, whatever you got there. Just use 1, and depends on how much lime juice you get. If it's a lemon you use 3 teaspoons of honey. Yes, coachy boy. Oh my god, oh my god, man. Coach, can you hear me?
I hear you.
Sometimes, man, oh my days, man, sometimes nothing ain't going on for you. Do it, and next thing you know, oh man, you got girls left, right, center chasing you. Baby mums want you. This shit. I'm like, what the fuck? Damn. My head is hurting me, dude. My head is hurting. One, he's like, she not let go, him not let go neither. Okay, wait, where the fuck are we? I'm going the wrong way, move! Alright, they're all over us. I'm going outside, man. I want to go outside.
There's your ammo. Go get it.
Oh, fuck it. I'm going in. If I die, I die. It's a video game. Right. Push, man. Mush. Come on, guys. Mush. They're going right there. Got one. Claymore right there, too. I'm on Delta.
Here's your ammo. Pick it up.
Objective Delta has been neutralized.
Behind you.
Going Echo. I should have gone a flank for real, you know. Man, fuck it, coach. Let's go on a flank. Fuck it, we go back.
Taking Objective Delta.
Move, Blueberry, on my goddamn face. You ugly son of a bitch. Oh, shit. Oh, coach. Oh, I got on the one. Somebody's lagging the server, you know. If a Japanese person kill you, let me know, yeah? Anybody with Japanese tag.
Japanese guy does?
Yeah, they tend to lag out the servers, innit?
I agree.
Every time a
That's
Japanese
exactly
artist
what
jump in,
happens to me, man.
the servers just get misbehaving. Let me roll this up quickly. Oh my god. Yeah, babe, that it. I know, but it look like you're giving me hints, you know. I think you're giving me hints. Alright. Alright. Alright, where you at, coach? I'm on it. Hey, coach, I'm going downstairs. I'm sliding down. Okay. Oh my, what have I got down here? What have I got down here? I don't see nothing. Oh shit, I'm going. They're going up the staircase. Hey, watch that pillbox staircase. They're going up that staircase, coach. Watch it.
Here's your ammo. Pick it up.
There's somebody here now. Oh, I saw him, but my reaction was a bit delayed on his ass. Son of a bitch just crapped out.
Here's your ammo. Pick it up.
I'm going Bravo. Take a sip of it. Move the Blueberry. You guys just jacking up in the goddamn way. Move, man. You scared or some shit? Downstairs, coach. Oh, fuck, Blueberry. You take that guy. Oh my god! Nice kill, coach. Nice triple. Nice. Oh, they push you over. Okay, we need to basically grab our base objective and push.
Objective Alpha.
We need to go get. Where's the base? Yeah, we need to go get. We need to push the. Fuck it, I'm on Bravo already, so I'm just gonna push. Yeah, we need to close the gap, man. We need to close the gap. The Alpha Blueberry should be closing the gap. What the fuck? Come on! What's wrong with my gun? What's wrong? Dude! Oh my god. Change your gun. Change your gun. Change your gun. Change your gun. What gun should I use? Oh, I'm using the ACWR, man. Okay, Alpha push, you say? Watch that left side. Watch that left side. Watch that left, boys. Oh, fuck. Friendly. Buy the scanner, buy the scanner, buy the scanner. Reload before you go around. Alright. I think we're pushing them back. Then Bravo, we're taking Bravo, yeah?
Objective Bravo.
Here's your
is
ammo.
under
You got
our
Bravo.
control.
Alright, defend Charlie now.
Defend this objective.
In the kill box, pillbox.
I'm under Charlie. I'm not seeing that.
Oh my god, and there's two guys right there, so I didn't bother need to turn to my right. There's two of them. And they let the guy kill three of us. Man. You know there are moments when there's enemies, right? But you know you can't. You know what I'm saying? This guy just let the guy kill all three of us. There's two of them on the right. So I thought they had that guy. So I didn't bother need to look. I'm surrounded as fuck right now.
Here's your ammo. Pick it up.
Alright, okay. We're pushing them this way.
Let me back you up.
Everybody watch that back flank.
That we now have control of objective Echo.
Oh shit. A lot of them upstairs on Delta, dude.
Damn. Oh, there's a bunch of shit up there.
I'm telling you, a lot of them up top. And they're pushing to fucking
Bunch of shit.
and they're pushing as well to freaking Main Street.
Hostile soldier. Here's your ammo.
Bunch of shit still up top.
Snipe that bitch. They're here in Delta, down Delta.
Gotta defend this objective.
Alright. Push Echo.
Yep, push.
Attack this objective.
They're in the room, they're in the room.
I got your ammo.
Medic room, they're in the medic room. Oh my god, I couldn't even back to the left, man. The bullets hold me up. They're coming. Come on, Claymore, kill somebody, Claymore. Oh, where the hell am I? Ammo for you guys. So watch that outside. Watch that outside, watch that outside. This doesn't feel too good, but I'm gonna try and make the best of it. This doesn't feel too good, coach. Holy shit! Holy shit! Through a wall. Through a goddamn wall. Hey dude, they're pushing on the left side. Oh shit!
Blueberry over here keeps on shooting at me. Every time I come down the staircase. It's like, come on, man.
Reload. Bomber clot, you know. You're a single fire. I'm never put the gun on single fire, fam. I have to have this thing on single fire. I have to put this on single fire to get the recoils nice and thing, you know. Yeah, watch the right side. They're flanking us on the right. They're flanking us on the back, on the back, on the back.
Yeah, back.
Oh shit, I fell downstairs. My claymore is not even going off. What the hell? In the medic room, in the medic room.
We still got a bunch of shit outside.
Here's your ammo. Go get it.
The whole bunch of them coming. Oh shit! There's an LMG out there, there's an LMG out there.
Here's your ammo. Stop.
Oh! They're behind you on Delta, man.
One on top.
Oh, bastard. Bastard. Medic, we don't got that medic, son. I'm gonna take it, sorry. I'm gonna snipe for the rest of the ticket. What do you say, snipe? Bust off the med down there, son. Bust off the med. Move, Blueberry, move, Blueberry. There's not them down there now.
Neutralize objective Echo.
Come on.
Now control objective Echo.
Where's that medic back, dude? Frog rounds. You lucky bastard. Medic! There's a medic in the thing in there with me. Pick me up, man.
Spotted a hostile.
Oh my god, I just spawned in on the back of the fucking enemies. My gun is on single fire at first, I quickly switch it over. Took out about 3 of them. I spawned an Echo. As soon as I spawned in, coach, 1 enemy spawned in front of me. And then 1 became about 5. And I started to shoot. The first shot I let off was bang! 1 bullet. I quickly go to fully automatic. I took 3 out. Oh shit. Oh, you did good. I was just running up in there, man. I didn't hold back this time.
That's crazy. Oh, those poor guys. You know, the ones that always make me laugh is like when they get like 4 kills and like 25 deaths. It's like, what the hell was you doing?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
What's this? Shanghai.
I like that 5.56. Or that 5.53.
It is viable. It's good for you.
It's fast. Goes through a lot of bullets, but
What's that?
You have to carry around your ammo crate with you. Otherwise, it's
I don't like to fly with freaking bluebirds that I don't know, you know. Shit. I'm gonna get my ass killed.
Come on, out of the vehicle!
You gonna tell me get out? You better fly. Come on, dude, go!
Go, go, go!
You know what I'm gonna do to your ass right now?
Stay with us.
damage.
This motherfucker. You son of a bitch. Yeah. Fucking name. Oh, here we go. Move your ass, class. Come on. Did you just crush a fucking needle with me and shit? Oh fuck. Jumped off at the wrong place. Jumped off the wrong place, coach. I jumped off the wrong place, coach. Jump off the wrong place, coach. Coach, I jumped the wrong place, coach. But I'm making the most of it, coach. Every engineer I'm fucking taking down. Come here, sniper. Fuck you running to? Stand and die like a freaking well-disciplined VC.
I have eyes on an enemy tank east of your location.
Oh, your beacon. Claymore just went off.
Take it, objective
Look at that.
Charlie.
I took over Charlie. I took over goddamn Charlie, coach. Killed everything I see.
Where you at?
I'm right here behind you.
Charlie?
Yeah, the elevator door. Check the elevator.
Oh, there you are. Yes. Nothing. In there up high.
Oh,
They're
shit.
up on
Hold on.
top.
Yep.
I'm parachuting down.
Oh, friendly up top. I wasted a grenade. We got tank downstairs. We got elevator coming up. Check the elevator, coach. Quickly. You jump down? Both dead. I can tell you guys are a squad, huh? What's happening up top? Oh, Bluebird, you scared the shit out of me. Thank you.
An enemy tank has been identified north of your position.
One thing you have to do, just squeeze the lime up together, squeeze out the juice in a cup, a whole lime, that's it, and then 2 spoons of honey. Yeah, not much honey, you'll know when it's enough.
Objective Alpha.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Kill him, Blueberry! Assist 100 counter the kill. What the hell was that about? Oh shit, another one! Oh, coach, I'm on a streak. You know when a Lambo says streak, he means a streak. Right, coach? Right, coach? You know that.
Sir.
We got elevator coming up again.
I spotted a hostile
Oh,
helicopter
shit.
south of your position.
Where's their base? We got healer. Man's jumping off. Give me a hit. Oh, I see ammo crate. I need that ammo. Definitely need that ammo. Let's chuck some slams downstairs. Oh, don't fall off, nigga. Don't fall off.
Be advised, I have eyes on an enemy sniper east of your position.
Coach, I'm on an 8-kill streak.
I'm on about a 3. Is that good?
Yeah, that's good enough, but was it? Where the hell are this gunfire
We
coming
have
from?
lost control of objective Bravo.
Damn! God damn! Oh, 11 kill streak stopped. Oh shit, I got picked up! I'm still alive, nigga! We got another guy over here. We got another guy, we got another guy, we got another guy.
We now control objective
12
Alpha.
kill streak going on, coach. 12 kill streak.
Attention. I have eyes on an enemy sniper just east of your location.
You serious?
Yes, sir. From I landed on Charlie, I'm handling it. I'm handling it. Check the scoreboard.
Can't see anybody.
Come on out. Step on out, bitch. Well disciplined VC you are. Well disciplined. You stand and tick it like a soldier.
East of your current position, it looks like there's a hostile machine gunner.
Coach. 13 kill streak.
Yes.
Come on, man. Come on. Some dumbass bastard keep destroying my slams that I chop.
South of your position.
I'm holding Charlie down. Under the no-fly zone. Here comes a healer to stop my streak. Shit! Run, nigga, run!
Objective Alpha is lost.
You're looking for somebody, huh?
There's a light armored vehicle operating somewhere south.
Come on, let me shoot. Let me see. You looking for somebody? Ooh, that light him up like a Christmas tree. Oh, my streak is about to stop.
Is under our control.
Oh shit, not to drop the building, coach.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm off.
Listen up. Enemy LAV south of where you are. Move away from there. Come back here. Let's go.
See that attack, Hilo?
I do.
Attack Hilo behind us.
Objective Alpha is now in our control. Objective Echo has just been lost. I've eyes on an enemy LAV. LAV to south of your location.
It's this way.
Sorry, I was on a text just now. Okay, where's the healer?
Listen up.
Where is he?
I've spotted
Oh, I see
a
it.
hostile LAV due south of your location.
Still got hey, 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 come on, Hilo, come on, Hilo. Where you at? Where you
Taking
at?
objective Alpha.
Come to daddy.
We have lost objective Alpha.
You
Ooh,
took much
almost
to the
had
left.
a second chance.
Uh-huh. I was gazing for a minute. I was to reply to a text just now.
I got eyes on an enemy helicopter.
Dude, I'm sitting under the streak right here, man. I want to go to at least 15. I'm on 13. I need 2 more kills. We got transport Hilo up there on Echo.
Enemy
Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Come on. Oh my god, he went too much. To the right. Come on. And that attack Hilo's coming back again.
I spotted an enemy helicopter.
That building coming down in a minute. Chopper is dead. Look at him falling. Oh, I forgot you up here with ammo. I could just take a shot. Come on, land.
Spotted a hostile
He jumped out.
I got the enemy in my sight.
Come on, Hilo.
Enemy chopper.
Come on, Hilo. Fly by me, please. Oh, coach, shit! Get off!
Alright, I have eyes on a hostile sniper south of your position.
Okay, time to get my gun back in my hand. Heading into Delta. We got
Spotted
tank.
an enemy tank. Spotted a hostile tank.
We got guy repairing that tank down there in the back.
Objective Alpha.
One's dead. 2 tanks. Holy shit. Oh shit,
Three?
coach.
What are you talking about?
3. Fuck, I'm backing off. I'm backing off. Me alone can't take out some. I can't take out some tanks on my own. The attack helo coming.
Spotted an enemy helicopter.
Why you little son of a bastard? Hold it steady, hold it, lift up, lift up.
There's an enemy tank west of your location. Objective Bravo is now ours.
Come on, hit him, hit him, hit him. Come, bastard. I got tank right by me again, coach. I got another tank.
Get eyes on an enemy.
I got pushed. Oh shit! Kill streak stopped. Kill streak stopped. Kill streak stopped at 14. Shit! I got the highest kill so far in the game, dude. Yeah. We're gonna need a vehicle. Oh yeah, coach. That you going in Delta?
Heading to Echo. Echo.
Echo. Shit. Nah, I'm road with you. I hear sniper rifles going off. Tank on Echo. I'm trying to go get it. Put some slams down right here.
North of where we are, looks like we got some AT personnel.
Hey, coach, take Echo. I'm going for this tank if I can make it.
Yeah.
Hope no one spawns inside of it.
Objective Echo is now neutralized.
Got it.
Got one running up top. Careful, Rumble. One up top.
Oh shit. Sure, don't go up on foot.
Defend this objective.
You got him. We got tank coming in, coach. Shit. You have to turn on the fight.
Sniper located just to your west.
Got two. Got tank and an LAV on.
Yeah.
Objective Echo is now ours.
Get the fuck out if you can.
RPG too.
Get the fuck out.
Shit. He's getting repaired. He's disabled. He's getting repaired still, coach.
I don't have anything but C4.
Get eyes on an enemy tank.
Oh shit! Guy coming on back. The guy's in the road across from you, from Delta side.
Spotted a hostile machine gunner. Due north of your location. Objective Echo has been compromised. I need you to attack this objective.
Oh, what a shot. One more. Yeah, nice shot. Nice shot. Come on, Lambo, finish it out. That's it, right there, right there. Oh, you bitch. You think I'm a noob, don't you?
Now control objective Echo.
Come on, come on.
Be advised, I've spotted a hostile tank due east of your location. I can patch you up.
You still alive over there? Oh, you're dead, coach. Just about to ask if you're still alive.
Suspect got a hostile operating east of where you're
You
at.
bitch.
Came down the stairs.
No, no, no.
Tank was sitting there. Let's go. Careful.
Friendlies. Guy right here. Hey, coach.
Tank. Into the road.
Yeah, I see him.
Objective Charlie has been neutralized. I say
The guy in the building to our left. There's the guy on the building to our left.
now defend this objective, Charlie. Defend this objective.
Hey, coach, cover fire. Cover fire, coach. Let's roll up.
Attention. Eyes on a hostile helicopter. West of your position.
Yeah, bitch. We came down for the fight, motherfucker. We came down for the fight.
I can't see him.
Neither do I. He opted out. The vehicle's dead. You got that reps? Where you at, coach? Oh,
No,
shit.
I ain't got no reps.
Oh, we got some slammed mines, dude. Move. These guys are blind. I see where that rocket came from. Right down that alleyway.
Be advised. We
Y'all got a hit mark on your ass. Hey, coach, he's to your right side, coach. He's the alleyway to your right. Oh shit, they got right in front of him. Oh, on the rooftop. God damn. Had to back off. Had to back off. Oh my God, MVP law. Damn.
You still up?
No, I'm dead. These bastards can't read.
I need you to defend this objective. Attack this objective. Objective Echo's been lost. Attack this objective. Sniper's been located east of your location. We have objective Bravo now.
Yeah, I see you upstairs. Look at you. With your beautiful ass. What?
I need you to defend this objective.
There's 2 engineers, you know.
We've just lost objective Bravo.
There's another one up there.
Spotted a hostile sniper to the east of your position.
Finish him, Blueberry.
Hostile soldier spotted.
There's another one.
Charlie is ours. We've neutralized objective Alpha.
Let's get out of here.
I have eyes on an enemy sniper due east of your location.
Come on, turn, bitch. Okay. Let's approach this one more time, coach.
What's that?
We're gonna approach this one more time. Get ready, guys on the left.
Yep. Alright.
Come on, man. You gonna tell me I can't turn this bitch? Oh, coach. We can't turn. We can't turn.
My bad, man.
We stuck?
Yep, seems so. We have to get that truck out there and just push us off.
Listen up. I've spotted an enemy tank due east of your location.
This dumbass blueberry piece of shit. We got guys up top. Guys up top.
Heads up.
They're coming down right on our side.
Can confirm objective Bravo neutralized.
Mark. In that little area toward the end.
We now control objective Bravo.
What area? What area? Talk to me.
Right there. I marked them again. Look at your mini-map. Mini-map.
Thank
There you
you.
go. Good job.
Just saved my shit right there, man. Alright, we got Bravo Alpha. We go Delta.
Get to attack this objective.
Okay.
Truck. Truck.
Yeah.
He got about 3 RPG. By the time my own reach, she's already dead. Oh yeah, Hilo. Hey, we got Hilo.
I got eyes on the chopper.
Lift up, please. Lift up. Oh man, lift up so late. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Charlie. Charlie.
Is now out of our hands.
I need you to attack this objective.
Give me a hit. Oh my days. We got guys in front of you, coach. In front of you. Directly in front of you. To your right. To your right. To your right.
On the other side, but I think that he's getting shot. He's got help from the other
Now
side.
control objective
Yeah,
Delta.
he does. Wow. Right next to me.
Yeah, I told you. All on the right.
There, too.
You ain't killing nobody else. Yeah, no, the bluebirds running for their life. Bluebirds was booming it. We got Hilo. Again?
Spotted an enemy house.
Oh, he didn't went down.
LAV east of
Okay, he didn't went down.
Objective Delta has been lost. I say again, objective Delta
Parachuter.
Yeah, I hit him a couple of times.
Where the hell is he?
On the beach, he has to be.
He's right in front of me. I got hits on him. This bitch ain't dead. What?
There we go. Hey!
What's up,
who is
Lordy?
this? I know this voice. This is
The Lord.
Yes.
Infamous.
The one I was feeding his face.
Hey,
Oh, got guys under the bridge, under the bridge, under the bridge, under the bridge. We got guys swimming across the water. To Charlie. We got guy behind us swimming. Blueberry can handle that. Guy across from Delta. Oh shit! Didn't your mother teach you not to shoot at what you can't kill? Huh? I'm gonna kill you. You better come around here. Oh, somebody killed you already.
I got it.
Objective Delta is neutralized. We now control objective Delta. There's an enemy vehicle just south of your location.
Tank. Oh, son.
Oh, we got a tank behind us.
Yeah, there's a tank. There's a,
Oh, we got foot soldiers too.
on the top of,
We got foot soldiers
on
too.
top.
Don't blow the tank, idiot! Do not blow it up, you goddamn fool! You stupid blueberry idiot! This goddamn fool blew the damn tank up!
Did you see that?
This idiot! This idiot! Man, blow the tank up. There's nobody in the tank. Just take it. I got a guy following me. Oh, you bite off more than what you could chew, huh, boy? Oh, shit, I got 2 slams left. What the hell? Hey, give me some ammo. Drop some ammo.
We control objective Alpha.
What? Parkour, right? Oh, shit! Ah, you bastard! I got Roy. Roy got her. I need some ammo. Oh, come over, get over. Hey, entrance. Ahead. He's dead.
Ooh, somebody shoot down here, Lambo.
I got him.
Thank you.
We got Lab.
Who the hell is that guy?
Hide in the fire, nigga. Yeah! Bang, bang, guy! Bang, bang! That's your name. That's funny. The slams killed his ass and then his bang bang.
Hostile sniper west of your position.
Oh my god, I'm ripping up a storm, boy. Hey, drop that ammo, coach. Coach, give me some ammo right in the middle of the road, Game's done anyway. I got... Lobby it. Makali baba nansa. Come on, show.
I was on the losing team.
Where are you?
We'll have to switch you over.
26 and 4.
Man, look at you.
Yes, sir. Bang, bang.
Where's Bang Bang?
I know bang, bang is.
Bang Bang, Bang Bang, Bang.
I know
Hey, you gotta leave my...
Wow, lah.
Hey, Limbo.
Hmm?
What I tell you about messing with Marcus? You gotta leave Marcus alone.
Oh, the other day Marcus was playing with us. Man kicked up Scringy and the water there. He kicked you guy all the ass. Marcus got
Did you see
44
that
kills.
guy on the other team? 2 and 16.
Nah, he just a spawn beacon.
2 and 16. He did not
Yeah,
do
I'm gonna
well.
probably live stream some Red Dead later. Hey, yeah, you wanna play some? Hey, you guys got Ghost Recon?
No,
I do.
this is gonna be my last game. I'm gonna go out and shovel all
Alright.
this 6 inches of freaking snow.
So
that I
Lord,
got.
you wanna do some Ghost Recon after?
You can.
Alright. Okay, so you snowed out, coach.
Yeah, I'm snowed in.
What side y'all in?
We on China, Canada.
China.
Oh, Canada.
Oh,
We're in
Canada.
Hilo Squad or something like that.
Kilo or marijuana.
Alpha.
Why is Donald Trump?
Ain't no thing can you see. Body darkened.
God damn it. Come on, Limbo.
Alright,
Shit.
not stream. I'm going, man. There's a jet. Hit him. Ooh, it's too low.
我看到了敌方飞机。
Oh, now he's gone high.
I see some traffic over here.
We got boat.
Fuck him up.
发现敌机坦克。
Jet coming from the back.
发现了敌军坦克。We've taken control of objective Charlie.
Coming for that ass. Oh, you're disabled, bitch. One more shot.
That jet, here come that jet. Limbo. Jet's coming.
Where is he?
Mark him.
I see him. Firing a shot. Oh! Come on, turn in this. Hey, rip the shit out of him. Is he dead yet?
Yeah, he dead.
He's jumping out. Where you at, coach?
All the way up by.
Oh shit, you're ahead in the lap.
What's up?
What's up?
What up, hoe ass nigga?
Objective Charlie lost.
Alright, going to let me out the ball at you now, bro. Ready to come get your ass whooped? You wanna get that ass whooped? I'll go on ground and beat your ass. I won't even jump in that jet. Oh, you don't want me in that jet? I've been on the road today in a jet.
I'm eyes on hostile LCV. Just west of where you're
I
at.
don't know, I might be able to.
Watching hostile Kubi.
Okay, you come here. I don't think Chris, I am so.
Just west of your current position. Have spotted
No, that
enemy
Jeep is so lucky. Inside Bravo.
我需要你攻击这个目标。
Moving up.
Got him. On the dam on the back.
我们看见了敌兵。
Oh, missed him. I fucking missed him.
Missed what?
Oh shit.
We got Elo. We got boat.
Yeah. Tank on my front. Tank on my front.
What front? Okay, got you.
Shot out.
Got him.
敌军猎击手。
That damn jet is bugging the shit out of me.
What the fuck you want?
Hey Lord, it's the jet.
Yeah, now I see it.
He's coming back. Hey, what's up, Sap? What's up? That jet jumped out. A
I just
bridge.
hit that helicopter on.
我发现了一名敌兵。
Oh, fuck, I missed a triple kill. Fucking hell, I'm gonna crush you like a roach. Ah, nice one, Lord.
I just hit that helicopter with fucking Sabo round, and all I got was black fucking smoke.
Yeah, I get those every once in a while too, man. I know exactly what you mean. Like, flakes off like.
Hey, Savage! I found Savage. Look at this jihad, bitch. Look at this jihad, motherfucker. I found.
Yeah, just go and switch sides, bro.
Ah,
Go where you
bleh.
belong.
Savage, what are you doing over there, man? Switch.
There's an enemy sniper south of your position.
Yes, I'm just here doing a bit of live on the battlefield, you know what I'm saying, bruh? You know this game can't die?
Oh, over in, what?
Okay, we lost, we losing Echo.
Spotted a hostile vehicle just west of your position.
Come on, Blueberry, you must get. We got a Jeep behind us.
Oh. That was a luck. That was a
Jeep is
lucky
dead.
shot.
Jeep is dead. Not the road. Oh, another one, another one. Left side. I see you. Even Stevie Wonder could see you.
I'm at Delta.
发现了敌军车辆。
They got Delta. They got Delta.
Yeah, I see the tank. I got upstairs in the building too.
They're in the building now. Just keep your head down, thanks. Good thing.
Sorry, Blueberry. Sorry, Blueberry. I have to back up.
At Delta.
There's an enemy sniper south of your position. 我们发现了敌军车辆。
Oh, got it.
Listener, objective Charlie has been lost.
This damn lab.
我看到了敌军坦克。
Yeah, hit that lab. Leave me alone. Look at this guy here. Let's go. Got loads of armor right here, man.
I'm running in. Goddamn. I got your bag. I'm on foot.
We got a tank over here.
Listen up. Taking the objective Charlie.
Got behind.
There appears to be a hostile vehicle just west of
Oh shit.
Oh my god. C4, get out! Damn, RPG! Woo! What's the score there? 12-0. Who's in that tank? Lord?
I'm in the tank. Yeah, I'm in the tank.
Should I roll with you?
You want to?
I'm thinking. Ah, let's go. If you get me killed, dude, when I reach to heaven, I'll kick your ass up and down the mansion, man. Make sure you get me alive.
Kiss my ass. Ass clamp.
Oh, nigga almost gave me a heart attack with that flyby. Chopper, left side.
You got low on fire right there.
Hostile chopper spotted.
Come on.
Just west of where you are. Cut all the digits to those units.
Savage got him. Go, 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 go.
Go. Stomach got the low. Parachute the body, guys. Parachute the
Hey, I see him. Parachute the Lord. Lord, back it up, back it up. Yeah, I'm burning him. He got his ass. Teabag, you bitch. Trying to come get me. Go, Lord. Oh, no fly zone. I thought you had him.
Have eyes on
Nah,
them.
parachute already got him there.
West of your position.
Straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead.
That damn low fly shit scared the hell out of me.
Fire up.
Bro, got him do this.
West of your location.
Ooh, right above, right below you. Coming up the stairs. Coming up the stairs.
I'm going over there. Oh, hey, guy behind you, Lord. Got lava and shit. Power plant, lava by the power plant.
Roger that. I got a scout helo coming in. Yes, hi.
I'm going head on for that LAV. I'm going head on for the LAV. Come on! Damn! So
Follow me, one of y'all got a dude over here.
stupid.
Playing
I'm so
chicken.
stupid. Why the hell did you just shoot him and blow the ass up? Oh, fucking blueberry, I ain't going in there. Okay, I'm over here. Where you at? You take this building, I'm going to the other building. Oh shit. Coach down.
He's on the staircase right
What
next
the
to me.
fuck?
He's on the staircase right next to me.
What the fuck? This dude run through my clip.
Upstairs now.
Blow, fire extinguisher. Oh my god. Damn. Yeah. Go here. What's up, AJH?
Hey, Sam, you got Jennifer there.
Got something shooting at me. Must be a boat.
I got people all around me. I can't shit because I got fucking sabos. And shit was flashed down. Remember, ready? Catch me on the fly ball, remember?
Objective Charlie
Huh?
neutralized.
Catch me on the fly
Just
ball.
west of where you are at, there appears to be a hostile
Pattern is full. Negative. Pattern is full.
Objective Charlie.
I got a.
Be advised, we just got control of objective Echo. Just west of where you're at, I spotted an enemy sniper.
Jet in the sky. Jet in the sky.
Yeah, he was trying to take me out the gun.
Let me fix your vehicle.
You freaking scared the shit.
Good. Bluebird just saved my fucking ass.
What the hell?
Right there in front of you.
Oh no.
Got him.
We got healer above.
Ah, shit.
We have just neutralized objective Alpha.
You stupid cow. We got a guy in the building right by me, go Lord. He was in the AA.
I have eyes on a hostile tank. South of center kitchen.
Oh shit, get out, get out!
Already got out.
Let's work it. Two-man team. We got guy above us, guy above us. Watch yourself, Lord.
Got him.
We got more coming up, more coming up, more coming up. Watch your shit, watch your shit, watch your shit.
I'm going to the ammo box.
Objective Alpha.
Something coming.
Levy.
We have taken
I'm off.
objective Alpha.
×2.
I'm off. Let me try this one on the road. Got a, it's disabled. One more hit. It's disabled. The up top. LAV dead. One down.
I got mobility here.
I'm going
I got one
Bravo.
more RPG left.
你要保护这个目标，
I've spotted an enemy vehicle due east of your location.
保持冷静，敌方飞机就在天空上。
That's RPG, I'm out.
Have eyes on hostile tank just west of your position.
Dude, I need some fucking ammo. You just sitting there looking like, hey, which way do I go? Which way do I go?
Elo, Elo.
发现敌军直升机，
And a tank.
Yeah, but I got your top cover.
Savage Elo trying to lock you up.
Objective Bravo has been lost. I've eyes on hostile enemy just west
Elo
of your
coming
position.
down. He's on a dive.
Just cancel the kill.
Oh, why?
That's what I'm talking about.
Objective Echo has been taken.
Shit. Loads of hammer. Oh, no, 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 no. That missed. I'm going Bravo.
Hey, bro.
I saw that rocket shell went in and take out the dam.
I've spotted hostile heavy armor due west
大
of
家
your
注意，
position.
发现敌兵。
Did you guys see that?
Yeah, I saw
I blew
it.
up the
Oh.
freaking tank and the freaking lab at the same time.
No, I didn't see it. A worthless piece of shit.
This motherfucker just jet rammed me. What is up with people jet ramming these days? Hold on, bro. Let's take me one.
And ammo.
It's down.
I'm running ammo.
We've neutralized objective Bravo.
What the fuck was that? Whoa, whoa, coach, watch your back.
Yep. Got him.
Whoa! Oh shit. To the hillside, to the hillside, to the hillside, to the hillside, he's dead.
I gave you ammo.
It took long to get the RPGs, the small ones, man. Small rounds. No armored vehicle for me.
That's the Alpha.
Man,
I'm going Charlie.
back to the basic like you really did.
Yes.
Spotted a hostile enemy helicopter. Due north of your position. We've lost objective Charlie.
Oh fuck, Blueberry, save my life, Blueberry! Jesus! Oh my god! Ah, come on.
Just north of your location, there appears to be a hostile tank.
Yeah.
发现了敌军船只。 我需要你攻击
Got
这个
boat
目标。
going to Echo. Rip boat Echo.
I spotted a hostile tank just east of your position.
That guy right in front of me.
Just neutralize objective Delta. North of your location, there appears
By the flag. By the flag.
I thought you ran him over.
Yep.
More than one.
be advised. Just taking
Still right there, man, bro.
Okay, there's
Not
an
for
enemy
long.
just south of you.
There's another one. Right by the flag. I've got Hilo above flying around.
We got one there, Lambo.
Enemy soldier south of your
Right to
location.
the left, by the flag.
观察到了敌军反坦克兵。
One of my buildings doesn't even.
We got tank on Alpha.
发现敌军坦克。Objective Charlie has been neutralized. 是的，我看到了敌军坦克。Hostile boat spotted just south of where you're at.
Charlie's in
We
place.
have just taken control of Objective Charlie.
I got a spawn beacon right here, though. Oh shit, on my body, two of them.
Yeah. Marcus, what?
Yeah. I got a tank. I'm going to my base. You see anything I need to store? You said what? I'm in a tank and I can check you out.
Okay, we're going over by Echo side, Alpha. We have to move from this side because we're getting hit hard.
Over by Bravo area. There's a
Yeah, we're going over that side, but
Hey, hey, Lambo, what?
I see him with the tank. Ease off the guns, let's surprise him. Tear him a new asshole.
enemy boat and
Let's get his tank first, we're gonna surprise him.
Toward Bravo.
Don't shoot yet, hold the guns. Now you can shoot. Inside.
别 advise we have neutralized.
Elo.
我需要你来保护这个目标。
Oh, that was a nice tool. Almost got his ass. He jumped out. Going Alpha. Down the road.
We now have control of objective Bravo.
Shit.
Oh, you lost
敌
your
装甲
back.
车就在我们后面。
Reload. Hey, take it, take it, take it. We're gonna take this bitch. Kill him and take it. Oh shit! Come back in. The tank coming in.
我发现了敌军坦克。发现敌军坦克。是的，我发现了敌军坦克。Eyes on an enemy AE soldier.
Oh shit! Come on, come on, come on. God damn.
Trying to get them coming.
We've just neutralized objective Alpha.
That's what we see. We're behind.
Guy to your left, coach. Put that lock on shit down, man. Rooftop.
我需要你们攻击这个目标。
We got tank. Tank coach. Who's on the right? Who's on the right in the
Worry
tank?
about the tank. I worry about the boat.
I got the tank. Don't worry about him. You gave.
Nice
Actually,
teamwork.
that
Nice
would be-
teamwork. Nice teamwork.
But I'm wounded bad. So I need to go
a
first.
soldier right in here. So. Right up in there. There, that was him.
I'm a sniper with my
Need repair.
You need repair?
Nah, I need to repair, yeah.
Neutralize objective
I'm
Alpha.
moving off the north for the high.
That guy can take Alpha on his own.
我需要你保护这个目标。
There's one enemy down there. Elo, Elo.
Right above you. Too high for me to hit.
Just taking control of objective Alpha.
Still too high. Still too high.
Nice, nice.
We got a tank. Yeah, LAD
Tank.
coming.
Look at Hilo right here.
I've located an enemy sniper.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Going Delta. Look at Delta within the rooftop.
攻击这个目标。
Nigga jumped down.
We got a tank at Alpha.
Left side right there.
It looks like there's an enemy sniper next to you.
That lock on guy right down here to the left. You see him?
I relost objective Alpha.
Back door downstairs and one up top.
I've spotted enemy soldier just west of your current position.
The guy down there got C4. Look at him. Fucking hell. Hey, there's so many guys in Delta. Oh shit.
Wait up! I need a ride!
There's so many. I think we better go Charlie again, man. There's too many guys up here. Better off in Charlie. Let's cover in Charlie. I'm gonna go swing across Charlie.
I have eyes on countdown and tank soldier. Look at the location.
Hilo.
我看到了，是直升飞机，被我看到了敌军直升机。
Oh.
Just lost control of objective Bravo. 发现了敌军直升机。
RPG straight ahead.
There's an enemy
Boat.
anti-soldier
Boat right there, Rumble.
in your position.
Under the soldiers, under the foot soldiers, they're under the boat.
I need a ride.
I got the boat.
I got the boat.
I got help you with the boat.
Whoa.
我需要你保护这个目标。
See that bitch right there?
You see him, but I couldn't get him.
RPG left side.
RPGs all over.
Yes, sir. Well, that's what I like. All right. We need to go up in Delta and take it over. Look at them guys out there. Look at them. Look at them. Coach. One more, coach. One more. Woo!
Guy coming in behind you.
Objective Delta is neutralized.
What? Oh man, there's 3 of them over here. I got one. Where man, Joe? Enjoy it here, man. Enjoy it here. Wet. Chat in the car. Sure. Hey, we got somebody shooting at you guys over here, man, on Charlie. Hey, guy in the back of the objective towards their spawn. Oh! My right. My right. Use towel.
Ammo bag, coach.
Look at the staircase from Bravo side.
Oh shit, I ain't seen him right there.
There's somebody else was following me, you know. Somebody else coming up.
Where's the brick?
Man, the game is tight. Oh, that didn't hit him.
I need to get my head.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't make sense you spawn in.
Oh, hey, 2 on me.
2 on the main road. I'm down.
Oh fuck! This guy was right here. Oh my
Can't
god.
spawn. Wow. That was a nice spawn, or nice game. I like games like that. That too, yes.
Do what girls do, that look. When girls go like that.
I got MVP ribbon again, coach.
That's
MVP ribbon again.
Yeah.
Look, guy, 50 and 4.
Nice job, guys. But that's it for me. You guys have a great night, great day, whatever it is for you. And we'll see
coach
you
you.
in the fun time. See you
I'll
guys.
go, huh?
Alright, coaches.
Alright.
Don't do nothing good.
But first, we've had it back. Is that how I set myself? That I set myself like that. And then is that what I do?
Come on, get over dirty girl and go on, David. What's up? Night.
Yeah.
Say what?
What?
I ain't got a fucking clue.
He said the bottom. He said the bottom of the penis found in his body.
Commander online.
Yeah, that's true.
I ain't got a damn clue.
We now control objective Alpha.
Like I said, I ain't got a damn clue.
What he said, I ain't got a damn.